Hey, hello everyone. Hey, this is a wonderful time of the year to express our gratitude. And the older I get, the more that I realize how important gratitude is in our life and the truth of the old saying that says gratitude is the key to abundance. I want to just especially express my gratitude to all of our Azure family, friends, customers that poured out such overwhelming support for Azure during and right after the terrible fire that we experienced this year. I don't know if we could have made it through getting over that without the wonderful support of all of you. And I also want to express my sincere gratitude for all of the friends and family and the wonderful relationships that are in our life. It's been a wonderful year, and when these kinds of things happen, it really brings that out to such a greater level.
Yeah, we just have so many things to be thankful for when we've been talking about it. And one of the things that I'm especially grateful for today is for the blessing of 3 new baby granddaughters that we were blessed with this spring and summer. And they are such a joy to us. Our family has really enjoyed them a lot. And I'm just thankful for all of our grandchildren. And I actually have the opportunity to teach a couple of our grandchildren at home this fall. So that has been a real honor and a privilege. Family and friends just mean the world to me and to our family. And I just want to, especially right now, thank all the Azure family and say blessings to you and hope that you have the best Thanksgiving season ever.